this is Subhashri and welcome to Glam Shades, the place where I try on and review products just for you so that you get only the best ones for you. Well, this time we have something really unique. It is the Lakme 9 to 5 CC Color Transform Cream. The brand claims that it has some micro color beads that has the unique ability to change its color when it is applied on the skin. Not just this, it also helps in brightening, hydrating and also giving sun protection of SPF 30 PA++. Well, let's try this on and see. Well guys, as we all know, Lakme needs no introduction. Lakme, being one of the most successful brands in India, is actually giving ek kada takkar to the international luxurious brand. Made for the quintessential Indian women, ये काफी सारी shades में available है और सबसे खास बात अब इसकी ये है कि इसकी 9 to 5 range जो कि बना है for the working women out there is actually making great reviews not just in India but also around the world. So guys, as we all know, CC cream के बारे में हम सब इतने ज़्यादा obsessed हो चुके हैं because it has some great uses. Let's check why CC cream is better than other products. The first point being natural look. Now, if you are someone who really want to look very natural and don't want to look very overdoing with the makeup, then you should definitely go for the CC cream. क्योंकि ये आपके चेहरे पे बहुत नेचुरल सा लुक देता है. यही नहीं, ये आपके स्किन को ब्राइटन अप भी दिखाता है एंड ये आपके स्किन को sheer to medium coverage देता है. यानी कि अब bye bye to all the dark spots and blemishes and also the dark circles that you got from the last night's party. Yes, this is something that you should definitely try if you're looking for the natural look. The second point being time saving. Well, why do we really need to use the primer, foundation, concealer and sunscreen all together when you can actually get it from this one product? Try this on and save most of your time just like that. The third point being pocket friendly. Why do we really need to spend a lot of money on primer, foundation, concealer when we can actually just buy one product and save all our money? Ladies, listen to me. Buy this one product and save all your money for something amazing in your life. Fourth, better for your skin. When we talk about foundation or concealer, they actually smoothen your skin, but इनका कोई skincare benefits नहीं होता. लेकिन अगर हम बात करें CC क्रीम की, तो इसके बेनिफिट्स काफी सारे हैं. ये हाइड्रेट करता है आपकी स्किन को, इसमें सनस्क्रीन भी प्रेजेंट है और यही नहीं, इसमें कुछ ऐसे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं जो कि एंटी एजिंग एजेंट जैसे भी काम करते हैं, which is great. The fifth and most important point, easy to travel with. We really don't like carrying a lot of things in our makeup box, right ladies? क्योंकि हमारे makeup box वैसे compact size के होते हैं and we have a lot of products to actually apply. So if you're looking for something जो एकदम कम space ले and still does the task, CC cream is that one thing that you should definitely go for. Clean your face before applying the CC cream. If you have dry skin, add a layer of moisturizer before putting on the product. Take a small amount of cream in your hands, lightly dab and apply the cream in dots all over your face and neck. Use gentle circular strokes to blend the product into the skin. The product will appear white at first, but on blending you will see it transforming into the tone of your skin. So guys, overall मेरा review इस product के बारे में बहुत अच्छा है. I really liked using this product. लेकिन जब मैंने पहले इसको use किया तो मैं थोड़ी सी nervous थी and I was like, should I take it? Because ये white color में था and इसमें color beads थे. But जैसे ही मैंने इसको blend करना शुरू किया, it actually matched with my skin tone. And then I just loved this product. So I think you should definitely try this out. अगर आप कोई ऐसा product ढूंढ रहे हैं जो आपको sheer to medium coverage दे और आपके dark spots भी बिल्कुल ढक दे. Well guys, that's all for today's video and I hope that you really got to know why CC cream is the need of the hour for every woman, working women especially out there. And that's all for today's video. I will see you next time. Until then, stay tuned for more videos.